can take away my life, whatever it may be, but you can't take my Lord from me. You can take away my own, take away my cause. You can never take my faith in the Lord. You can take away my life. Talk about it, life has its ups and downs. Turn your bitter to an ugly frown. Seems that when I fix one thing, another one comes, clouding up my vision. I can feel the sun. I believe that I can do this. I know that I can win, just as long as I have His love within. I believe that I can make it through the night. I believe that I can walk on with my head held high. I believe that I am special in every way. I have to visualize that everything will while riding through the storm. I have to trust in my Father and open up my heart. I know that I can do this. I know that I can win, just as long as I have His love within. I can make it through the night. I believe that I can walk on with my head held high. I believe that I know heartbreak and heart pain, being let down. No one's proud. I believe that I can make it. I believe that I can walk with my head held high. I am special in every way, and in order to have victory, open up my heart to you, to you. You're the lover of my soul, the captain of my sea. I need a word from you. That's why I open up my heart.
I know you see it. I'm blessed and I'm highly favored. I'm blessed and I'm highly favored. I'm blessed and I'm highly favored. Man, here I go. I'm feeling like Mr. Cole. Even though God invisible, I'ma make him visible. It ain't nothing mystical. Just observe my walk and observe my talk. And if you heard, I'm the salt of the fool everywhere. Testimonies, testimonies. They everywhere. Oh my God. Now you do this one. Evidence, fool everywhere.
When you look at my life, you go see. The blessings is there all in beep. I know fit explain all the good things. I go praise the Lord till infinity. Cause my testimony's not a finish. Oh, all my worries don't finish. Oh, plenty evidence. If you are looking for the evidence of the baby with Papa down bless. Look no further. Look at me rather. Evidence, just looking fool everywhere. Evidence, fool everywhere. Testimonies, they everywhere. My God, testimony of your faithfulness. Testimony of your faithfulness.
story. Young crazy faither. History of making vision and it's written on the paper. You ain't big step unless you walking like God. The small town kid has got the cover like Todd. I was in a church high sitting in the back row. Till I got called higher, I ain't been a plateau. All them destiny delayers and you gotta tell them go. Cause they be trying to party and you can't tell them no.
You talking about me? Or the pet?
I just want to encourage you. Eyes have not seen, and ears have not heard the wonderful things God has planned for you. Just wait on them. It's in the making. To abandon your dreams, and it just so happens that our dream is to lift up a holy king. See, this is my life, my choice, and I choose to lift up my hands. And please don't be alarmed if when the music comes on, I begin to dance and run across the room until I can barely catch my eye to worship until I pass out. 'Cause we go hard in the paint, hard in the paint. We go hard in the paint, we worship. Hard in the paint, we worship. Hard in the paint, hard in the paint. We go hard in the paint, we worship. Hard in the paint, hard in the paint. We go hard in the paint, we worship. You came to the 'cause while you steady laughing, I'm dancing on shackles and being see. I may look like money, but you don't know what I've been through. All in the bank, all in the bank, all in the bank.
The fan? Yeah, we're going. You want it on higher?
Need a break and escape. Let me feel the sunshine on my face. Even if I want to, I couldn't find a time. You do what you want to, they say it all the time. Before I lose, I just need a break. I put this on my mama. Where the devil put a period, God put a comma. And he worked it for my good, never tripped, I know he would. I never had a day where I didn't see his grace. You can tell that I'm blessed by the smile on my face. Way too many blessings like I'm at a buffet. Whole crowd going crazy like hip-hop parade. Was it you? Somebody said my name and that prayer got me through. Was it you? I don't know. I just wanna say that I'm mine. I'm just glad they took the time to pray for me. They never hit my. Somebody pray for me. I'm getting pray for me. Somebody pray for me.
Hi kids, wanna know what I did? Now my God stepped in and he slayed all of my giants. How I slept real comfy in a den full of lions. If I told you all he did, you would think I'm lying. But I'm not. I took every shot. Stop, till I make it to the top. You wait to blow up, I'm waiting on the drop. Somebody pray for me. I'm ready to pray for me. Know that prayer change this thing. Yeah. I know that prayer change this thing. I know that prayer change this thing. Yeah. They walked on water, I moonwalk through. No strings, I'm connected by Bluetooth. The Wi-Fi busted, I ain't never interrupted, now what? 25, 45, hassling like that. Everything I lost, they said we never do it, but I did it times two. Never tell a pusher what he can't move. If you don't believe, no, you looking at the proof. County boy, Rock City, I might never need him right back. Everything that don't store, take it right back. Man, and they don't like that. While they only Christ like on that camera. G.O.D., I keep it lit like a candle. Jesus Christ rapper, you would think I was thugging. Ugly face cry when I'm praying for my cousins. Lord, after God bless us, falling by the dozen. You can hit the real check, bang, bang, bang. Came from the mud, but I'm covered in blood. 19 stellars and I did it, no lie. Walked in a room with nobody, not a whole world screaming, we got Rock City, no lie. If you don't like it, you can leave, ain't never backing down, I ain't asking for permission, no lie. Spin and clap, spin and clap, shuffle and slide, shuffle and slide now. Walk and dip, walk and dip, walk and dip, yeah. Walk and dip, walk and dip, walk and dip. That like Shikari, I apologize, but for Jesus I ain't sorry. May not come on your time, but I know he's never tardy. I'm too blessed to let her hate and destroy me. What more can I say? Grateful for your grace. You deserve all my praise. God's been good through the highs and the lows. Let me testify that he never let me go. If I had a megaphone, I'd tell 100,000 souls. The reason that I dance, cause I feel it in my bones like, hey, I got a reason to praise. Hey, I got a reason to praise. I left that old man on that old town road. I'm never going back, no. He don't play, God is showing now.